Alright, welcome back. Let's look at one nice question here. Underset. You're still underset. And there is a different way of meeting questions under rational functions. Here's another way. Here, we have to simplify this minus this. This is what you do in 2016, question 10a. You have to simplify this. Wow. You see, if the let's assume the question is without this part, and you have to simplify this. What will you do? That is by rationalization. Yes, it's true. You are right. You rationalize this part to the simplified form. Then you leave it. Then when you close this part, you can rationalize this part. So let's assume that when you rationalize this part, the result is 5. Minus, then you don't rationalize this part. Let's assume the result is 2, so the result should be 3. I'm not saying that is the result, it's assumption. Alright, so I have taught you how to do the rationalization in some of the videos. So you can go by that. But we have two methods in solving this question. You can do by rationalizing the first part, then the second part, then you later go and subtract. That one is there. The other way you can do is what I'm going to teach you in this video. And that is simple. It's a simple method. Because the one that you rationalize 2 times is going to stress you a lot. So, you see, in mathematics, anytime you have A over B plus or minus C over D, anytime you have something like this, the first thing that should come to mind is LCM. Very good. So here, you should think of LCM first. So think of the LCM. And the LCM of this is square root of 5 minus 1. 2, you see, if the outsider here will worry you, multiply it inside. Okay, so 2 times 2 is what? 4. Then 2 square root of 5. You are free to go your way. You see that? You are free to go your way. So now this is the LCM. So this will go into this. Or this will cancel this, so this will multiply this. So 2 plus square root of 5 will multiply 4 plus 2 square root of 5 minus this will also cancel this, so this will multiply this. So square root of 5 minus 1 will multiply square root of 5 minus 1. Same way. Alright, let's move on. I hope you're not confused. The LCM is this. I don't want you to be in trouble, so just multiply this and get this. So this will cancel this, so this will multiply this. This will cancel this, so this will multiply this. Let's move on. So now, to multiply this, then 2 is going to multiply 4 plus 2 square root of 5. Then plus square root of 5 will multiply 4 plus 2 square root of 5. Watch this. What is here is the same thing here. So it's the same as square root of 5 minus 1 or squared. I know it's there. He will say squared. Squared. You see that? So now let's move on. This time this is what? 8. Plus this time this is 4. Square root of 5. Plus this time this is 4 square root of 5. Plus this time this Same as the inside. The outside here is 1. So 2 what? 2 multiplying 5 minus, if you want to multiply this, it's not difficult. It's the same as multiplying something like this. A square, oh, you have forgotten. Then minus 2ab, because this multiply this, then multiply this. Then plus b squared. So I'm going to apply it here. But because of this negative sign, block whatever you're going to do here. Because the negative will affect the inside. So here, when you square this, you get 5. This times this, you get minus 2 square root of 5. Minus 2 square root of 5. Then the square of the 1 is going to give you 1. So that's how you're going to operate that one there. And that's it. Okay. Let's move on. Alright, so that's it there. This, the square of this is 5. 2 multiplying this is that. Then that is that. Alright, let's move on. Hey, don't forget the denominator. We are only focusing on the numerator, forgetting the denominator. So the denominator side will come. This times this. So this times this, you get 4 square root of 5. The same square root of 5 going to multiply this. So you get 2 square root of 5, square root of 5, same as the inside. So you get something like this. This times this, you get negative 4. This times that, you get negative 2 square root of 5. Right. It's just simple. Now let's move on. Let's look at something here. You can simplify this. Let's first do this. 8 plus 4. This and this will give you 8. This and this will give you 8 square root of 5. 8 square root of 5. This will give you plus 10. This will give you minus 5. This will give you plus 2 square root of 5. This will give you minus 1. And the whole of this will be, take your time here. Here, square root of 5, square root of 5. Hope you are following. Negative 2, 4. So 4 minus 2 will give you 2. So here you get 2 square root of 5. If I say something that you couldn't get it clear, you can pause the video, go back. It's a video, so you can pause it, go back and listen to it again. You are going to get it. Alright. This is going to give you plus 10. It's going to give you minus 4. This is already done. So now let's focus here. So this, and this. When you're doing something like this, take your time and do it gradually. You can use calculator to point the whole of this straight forward and get a final answer. But know that you're not doing section A, but rather section B, to show all the steps to be able to get the maximum marks. Okay, so this and this will give you 10 square root of 5. This and this will give you 18. Then 18 minus 5 will give you 13. 13 minus 1 will give you 12. So you are going to get plus 12. The whole of this over 2 square root of 5. 2 square root of 5 plus 6. That is 10 minus 4, which is 6. So now we see the whole, the whole of this the whole of this is now being simplified to this. So when you get to this part, you are still not yet done. No. When you get to this part, you are not going to rationalize it. So you see, this one is going to reduce the workload. This method is going to reduce the workload. In fact, sometimes, if you rationalize this before you come and rationalize this, when you are done and you are subtracting, you can still get a radical, a third formulate. Where sometimes, if you don't rationalize again, you won't get the simplified form. But this is going to be simple. So when you rationalize this, then you are done. So instead of the question to be put in this way, simplify is now framed in this. So when you get to this part, you cannot rationalize. So now, let's move on. So you multiply this 2 square root of, and you can refer to the previous video. I think we have solved similar like this before, so I think I should stop for you to even continue with it. Don't worry, I'll guide you. Let's move on. So we are rationalizing. So 2 square root of 5 minus 6. But I will speed up. Because we have done similar. Okay. So now this one, 10 will multiply this. So 10 square root of 5 will multiply 2 square root of 5 minus 6 plus 12 will multiply 2 square root of 5 minus 6. The whole of this is going to be, now, like I said, this is just a difference of 2 squares. So 2 square root of 5 all squared minus 6 all squared. So this time this is going to give you 20 multiplying 5 minus this time this is going to give you 60 square root of 5. 60 square root of 5 plus this time this is going to give you 24 square root of 5 minus 12 times 6. 12 times 6. Alright, so that's going to give you 72. That's my little girl. That's going to give you 72. So the scale of the whole of this is going to give you 4 times 5. Okay, because that minus 36. Okay. So now let's move on. I hope this part is clear and I can clean it. If you are not done writing this part, pause the video, write it, and let's continue. So now, this part and this part is going to give you, but let's do this. Okay, but it will still be the same thing. 20 times 5 is going to give you 100, right? Yeah, so 100 minus 72. 100 minus 72 is going to give you 28. 28. Yeah, 28. So here you're going to get negative 28. And here, negative 60 plus 24. Negative 60 plus 24. This would, even if it's 20, so it's going to be 36. 36. So here it's going to be negative 36 square root of 5. All these over 4 5 20. And 20 minus 36 is going to give you 16, negative 16. So your final side is going to be negative 28 over negative 16 minus 36 over negative 16 square root of 5. This will cancel this. You can reduce this, Alright, let me give you similar to solve. Let me give you similar ones to solve. Make sure when you are going through the past questions, you get your calculator with you. Don't learn from me, okay? Don't learn from me. I don't have a calculator. Don't learn from me. Make sure you be guided by your calculator and get the accurate values. Okay, simplify this. This is also similar to this. Simplify this. WASSCE June 2019, question 7B. This is 2019, question 7B. You have to simplify. You see, it's the same thing. You have to simplify this. If you are able to go through the procedure well, you will get it. Square root of 5 plus square root of 3. You have to simplify this. It's still the same thing, okay? You can rationalize this part after that you rationalize this part. Or you can find the LCM, and the LCM, oh, the LCM is even beautiful. Can you see the difference of two squares there as the LCM? Yes. I'm not going to tell you. The LCM is beautiful as square root of 5 minus square root of 5 whole square minus square root of 3 whole square. That's the LCM. If you can see it well, this is the LCM, and it's the same as what I wrote. Yes, this is the LCM, and Alright, very good. Thank you. See you in the next video.